Hi guys and welcome back to the Taste and Bloom kitchen. Today we are making this very simple rice dish. Sometimes you have to change the handwriting a bit, okay? So let's get right into the video. So in my saucepan I have some oil heating up. First I'm going to fry my macaroni. So please, once it goes into the oil, do not leave your stove side or like wherever you are frying this, do not leave it or else you come back to a burnt offering, okay? So what can help you is that you continue stir frying this till you realize that it has a beautiful golden brown color. Do not make it burn. If this is your first time here, hello, my name is Yasmi. Please consider joining this amazing blooming family by subscribing and also leave the notification bell on so that anytime I post a video, you'll be the first or among the first people to be notified. And if you're a returning subscriber, God bless you so much for always coming back to support my channel. So as you can see, our macaroni is doing well. So at this point, I'm going to add in some chopped onions. Very optional, but adds a bit of flavor to the rice dish. I didn't start by frying the onions first because I didn't want it to be too soft, okay? So as you can see, the macaroni and the onions are doing good. I'm going to go ahead and season with some salt and add in some curry powder as well. Again, the curry powder is optional, but we are aiming at a different rice dish, okay? If we are doing one way all the time, our kids will complain, the people who eat our food will complain. So once in a while, do something different, okay? So the reason why I go in with the curry powder before my rice is so that it's easier for the rice and the curry powder to mix together beautifully. So if you go in with your rice and water first before adding your curry powder, you will not have the curry powder mixing with the rice evenly, okay? And you may have some patches of white or maybe concentrated yellow in your rice as well, but we don't want that. So that's why we go in with the curry powder first. So once you get to this point, toast your rice for about 5 to 7 minutes, and then you can go ahead and add in your water. So of course, you know your rice, so add in the water to the rice's preference or your preference, okay? If you've watched till this point, thank you so much for joining me today. Please give me a thumbs up and let's continue doing this together. So after my water goes in, I'll mix again properly and then cover and allow to cook. Okay, we are going to wait for the water to drain from the rice or get absorbed into the rice rather. And then we'll go ahead and fluff it up and then allow it to continue cooking on very low heat. At this point, it's doing beautiful as you can see. So like I said, I'm fluffing it up and then I'll leave it alone for about 10 minutes on low heat to finish cooking. So you can pair this with any stew or soup of your choice and it was so good. It was very delicious and it was something different. So we really enjoyed it. If you liked this video, please give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below when you're done watching and also share when you're done watching. And follow me on all other social media platforms. And until we meet again, please don't forget to keep blooming.